Hello. I have a thrift haul and antique mall, Big Lots, and Marshall's haul, and then an update on a couple items. This is that pedestal I got from Salvation Army last week, I think for $3, and it was dark wood, and I chalk painted it with a light gray. I just took plaster Paris and put it in some light gray paint and slopped it on. And then I sanded it a little bit, and then I hit it with some Old English scratch cover, dark brown scratch cover, and it sort of brought it out to more of a golden shade. And then I hit it with polyurethane. So this is how it came out. It's like a martini table or a drink table is what I'm going to use it for down at the beach. So I think it'll look okay. If not, it can hit the free pile.
Yeah.
So we'll see. I think it'll look okay. And then this Whiskey and Wet did a tutorial of painting. She bought some canisters from Dollar General. We don't have Dollar General here. And then used her Silhouette or Cricut or whatever it was to make some skinny type Rae Dunn.
Touch it.
Huh? I'm not touching it.
Okay.
So I can find some of the red, but I can find no green. So Mr. Retros painted. This is an actual Rae Dunn one. It was one that it wasn't the one with the nice skinny font on it. It was just Mr. and Mrs. or some dumb thing on it. I got it. There's a star. So he painted it green for me, and then I'm going to put some stuff in there, like ho-ho or something. Yeah. But I think the green is really good.
Yeah, green turned out.
It's curing out.
Had to
touch it.
Had to primer it.
Yeah.
White.
So he's got some canisters and a tray that I'm going to try it with. So that'll mix in nicely with my red stuff.
So anyway, you can always spray paint your stuff if you have to.
Yeah, and then you can, if you don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette, there's people on Etsy that sell sets of type that you can stick on there. So you can do it. You can do it. And then I went to Big Lots. I got this wonderful critter. Half price on Halloween.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's It's really cool. Nice. Sweet, huh? So he makes this beautiful item. Is it a Jemmy? Oh yes, Jemmy, the king of animated critters.
Yeah.
He's cute though.
Yeah.
I like him. So he will go in my collection. Mm-hmm. I like Frankenstein the best. All the monsters. And let's see. Ooh. I'll show this. I went to Children's Hospital thrift store, and they had a lot of Christmas stuff out. And I got this bag for $5. Plus, you're helping out Children's Hospital.
Cool stuff.
This is air currents. Are these girly? Yeah, this is girly.
They always talk about that.
Yeah. I don't know what that means. Unburned. He's very cute.
Mine had all of these.
Yeah, and then I gave them away. And then I like this one. This is a nice one. And then these sweet little choir kids. They're cute. And look at, there's a price tag in here. 35. Oh, Arnold's. I forget where that was. Was that in Ballard? I'm gonna yoo-hoo it back on there. I like it when they have the original price tags, but that's pretty good for $5. That's $1 a piece, so that's okay. That's a good deal. I did better at that place. I went to the flea market, couldn't find a darn thing. I got this Edison set for $4.50. But the box is really, look at Santa giving instructions. You're not doing it right. Look at that. It's beautiful. And they work. They're a little scary, but they work. They keep getting loose, but they're end to end. They're swell.
Original bulbs.
That tells you how to do them. They're Santa lights. See? Santa lights.
I get it.
A rainbow on your Christmas tree, as it were. He's growling over there. And then they had this set too. This was $4.50 as well. This is the Radiant Christmas lights. They're cut their own tree and all.
Headed to Bethlehem with their tree.
It. Yeah, see? Getting into it. See, and that's these. I like these. The ones with the red and green or red and black. Later they did red and black, but these are just like C7s or C4s or whatever they are.
Yeah, they work.
Yeah, they work. So that was cool on that. And okay, where did I go? Marshall's. I got these because I saw someone else get them. So it's like monkey see, monkey do. That was the only bag they had. Right, these are gonna go out with my Christmas stuff. $3.99. But they're cute. Look, they're trees and stuff. And then I got this. Somebody had these stashed over in the towels. I found them though. This is a nice double tray. $12.99. This would be nice for serving. And this one, you can put anything you want in there. That one was $7.99. So I have most of my stuff set up. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's when I get the green in, it'll be a nicer contrast.
Yeah.
That's what I got so far. And then let me move this stuff. While you're looking at that, I'll move my stuff. Then we went to the antique mall. There's only like one around here.
You got that wooden.
Yeah, my wooden
Oh,
trees
that's
up
cool.
there. Yeah.
I forgot about that. Yeah.
She's waiting for her elf outfit.
Yeah.
We went to the antique mall thinking there'd be loads of neat Christmas stuff there. Nah, no. Nuts. I did find this awesome boo-boo. Boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
Boo-boo. He's going to get a Santa hat and he's going to go sit her over on my Rae Dunn cart. Fit in nicely. Oh, yes, I will.
Yogi.
Yogi. Go. He's awfully cute. Then I found this.
How much was he?
$3.
$3, yeah. Wow.
For Boo Boo. And then I found this was awesome. This is a Francie dream house for $6. It's got a rip here, but it's all right. And it's got these. Remember these? Look at this. These goofy stickers were everywhere when I was a kid, and I never knew what they were. Where did they get them?
It was an automotive
I must have
additive.
got them at the shop, the auto shop.
Yeah.
They were sticking them on their bikes. And
we had them on the back of our jeans jackets.
yeah, everybody did. Yeah. I
It was
did.
so cool.
No, I didn't, but other
Well,
people
no,
did.
but guys, they would
Yeah.
take Levi coats and put us right in the middle of them.
That's right.
On the back.
So this is most of
And on your car.
her furnitures and this chair thing. So this might be cute to put a little Christmas tree here and do a little scene. Let's see. For $6, I thought it was pretty good for Francie.
Really comfy.
Yeah, doesn't that look comfy? I'm not going to fiddle with it now, but for $6, I thought it was okay. There. So that's that. And it has great graphics. I don't think I have a Francie anymore. But this is nice. And let's see. I'll show you my bar. Maybe you can see it. I don't know. I've been working on the bar area. Does it show okay?
Yeah. I should close this line here.
This is my Pottery Barn Santa. This is that.
There's a flask.
I forget what this is called. This is some Italian thing. Bon Natal. It's Amici del Bambini. Friend of the baby. I'm a friend of the baby.
It's a bottle thing, right?
Yeah.
Bottle
Yeah.
opener.
It's a Santa one, so it's very nice. And then these are vintage.
Right.
And I put my Happy Holidays sign up. And there's my snowman who's from Crate and Barrel. Oh, those awesome maraschino cherries in green at Big Lots for like $1 something. What were they? $1.25. And those straws are from Dollar Tree.
And you just got that tray.
Yes, I just got that tray somewhere.
Metal
I don't
tray.
remember where. And these are my best glasses. They're sort of Holt Howard design, but they were done for Dairy Queen, and there's a tray that goes with it, but I think I might just make a tray to go with it. And that's my Crate and Barrel silver tree. And I put red mercury glass balls on it this year.
Looks good.
Yeah. So that's what I got so far for the bar. It's coming together. So I'll see you later. Bye.